The Community and Rural Development Minister Abu Taher Mondol informed that the state government has created 9 new CNRD blocks and that the government has every intention of bringing governance and administration closer to the people. Raising a supplementary query at the question hour during the third day of the budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly, Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar asked the minister whether the creation of Mauhati CNRD block is in the list or not, to which the minister replied in the negative. Nongkrem MLA Arden Basayamoit raised a supplementary query on whether the government intends to create Nongkrem CNRD block.
There is no fixed guidelines. Government's intention is to bring administration to the closer to the people, and for the early and easier implementation of different schemes and programs. So as and where it is required, after studying the feasibility report, government takes up these cases and open new blocks.
University